Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to send emails from Squarespace using a custom SMTP server, this guide will show you exactly how to set it up, step by step. So, in today's small tutorial, as I told you, we're gonna see how to connect the Squarespace to SMTP in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So go all the way, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Squarespace, the login. All you're gonna do now is use your email address and password to access the dashboard. We're gonna go all the way to settings here. Then we're gonna see this developer tools to see advanced info. So here we have the links, we have the website protection and all of this, SSL, metadata and all of this. But for example, if you are looking for the email section, go to domains and email, go all the way to domains if you want to. You can also access the website here, original settings, keys and all of this, social links, social sharing, Pinterest, export and import, allow Squarespace to promote your website and all of this. So we're gonna go back to domains and email. If you can see the SMTP option, enable it, select the option to use a custom SMTP provider. If you can't see it, it's totally fine. All we're gonna do now, okay, let's check this email campaign. For example, take a small look here. Okay, we're gonna go to see the settings here, SEO appearance and all of this. Okay, we're gonna tap SMTP Squarespace. Then we're gonna hit enter. So as you see guys, we have this forum here, we have all the informations. So basically email notifications are sent from Squarespace email service. This means you don't need to concern yourself with checking share methods. Unrelated issue, if you are using a custom domain for these emails, you may need to configure basically this for you. So only tap the link and go ahead to the custom email addresses and Squarespace. If you can't find the options, you can also contact the support, tell them about this, send them some screenshots and all of this. Then enable the SMTP, enter the SMTP details, add the server, path, username and even password, choose the encryption type, SSL or even TLS as required by your provider. As for us here, we have the SSL. I will show you. We have developer tools, we have SSL, it's active. Then save the settings, apply the changes and wait for confirmation. You can also send a test email to confirm emails are sent in successfully. And that's it. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.